Before we get into the installation, you're going to want to give a standard user sudo privileges. So, to make this change, you have to first change to the root user with this command. Once you've successfully authenticated and are at the root user bash prompt, issue the following command to add your user to the sudo group. Once you've done that, exit out of root with the exit command and then either log out and log back in, if your server has a GUI, or exit from your SSH session and log back in. The first thing we'll do is install Apache. For that, issue this command. You may or may not have UFW installed by default, depending on how you installed Debian. To install it, issue this command. Once that's installed, allow HTTP traffic with this command. If you open a web browser and point it to HTTP server, where server is the IP address of your Debian server, you should see the Apache welcome page. Next, we'll install the database portion of the stack with this command. When that completes, secure the installation with this command. You'll first be asked for the current root password. Since that hasn't been set, hit enter on your keyboard and type in when asked if you want to switch to Unix SSH authentication. After that, you'll be prompted to type and verify a new strong or secure password for the root user. Answer Y to the remaining questions. The final piece of the puzzle is PHP, which is installed with this command. Let's verify PHP is installed and working. To do that, create a new file with this command. In this file, type the following. Save and close the file. Point your browser to http server info.php, where server is the IP address of your Debian server, and you should see a listing of the PHP version and a list of other important information. Congratulations, you've just built your first LAMP server using Debian. You can now start building websites and even use it for serving up web apps, with a bit more work, of course.
Oh.